Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can schedule a video call or meeting on Google Meet really quickly. So let us get started. Alright, so in the first step, head over to Google Meet by accessing this address here at the top, meet.google.com, and make also sure that you're logged in with your Google account. And what you want to do, guys, is, for example, to schedule a meeting is click on that button here on your home screen, New Meeting, and select this option from the drop-down menu, Schedule in Google Calendar. That is going to take you to your associated Google Calendar account here. So here you will be given the opportunity to create and to schedule an event. Start by adding the event title here at the top. After that, select the start date, like the date and the time of the day here, as well as the end date. You may also select a different time zone, for example, by clicking on time zone here, or select an all-day event by enabling this feature here. So below you see your event details. You may, for example, click on that button here to copy the invitation link for the meeting or a video call to invite participants to join you through Google Meet by clicking on that button here. And after that, simply share that invitational link, for example, via emails or direct messaging services to invite guests to your meeting, and so on and so forth. Now below you can customize, or you may customize your event further even more. For example, you may add a location or set a notification, for example, so that your event guests may be notified via email, for example, 30 minutes prior to the event start, or an hour or 2 hours, and so on and so forth. You may describe your event here below, and so on and so forth. Here to the right, you will see the guest list. So click on Add Guests here, select the email address of the guest below so that he or she may receive an invitation via email later. And that's basically it, guys. Once you're ready to schedule or to finalize your scheduling, simply click on Save here. And the given event will then be added to your Google Calendar, and the invitations will be sent to your event guests via email so that they may accept or decline it and join your meeting via Google Meet. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.